Sorry for the delay. I'll be just starting with today's class. Gaurav, I'm seeing you like for the first time you're in the class. Gaurav, am I audible?
हेलो मैम करता हूँ मैं
Your voice
क्लास
is not audible.
हेलो
Sorry. Hello. Okay. Do you have any doubts from previous class or the topics which we have covered till now? Okay. So I'll be starting with new topic. The topic is what is SEO. I'll be just sharing my screen. Wait a second. Yeah, is it visible now? Is my screen visible?
यस मैम
Okay. Wait a second. So the first topic, it will be like what is SEO? We'll just go through that. SEO, like it's search engine optimization. What comes under it? The search engine optimization is a practice aimed at improving a website visibility and ranking on search engine result pages. What is search engine result pages? Whenever we are searching any term or anything on Google, it will give us a result. So whatever the result comes in that particular page, it defined as a search engine results. The main goal is to attract organic, which is non-paid traffic, and from search engine like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. These are the search engines which is the most used in India and any other countries. So SEO involves optimizing various elements of a website, which includes the content, the HTML coding, and site architecture, like how the site is like properly opened or what are the services and how it is looking. It comes under all the factors of this. To make it more search engine friendly, what we'll do is like, we'll go through the relevant user queries and what are important in SEO to perform better and to rank in a Google search engine result pages. So key aspects of SEO includes the first term is keyword research. What is keyword? Like whatever we are searching, like if I'm searching for digital marketing course on Google or any other courses or anything, like whatever, like if I want to buy a iPhone 16, I can go for that. I can go to the Google and search for that. So these are all the terms called as the keyword. So identifying and targeting relevant keywords that potential visitors are likely to use in search queries. What is search queries? Search queries is whatever we are searching on Google search pages or the Google search bar, that term come as a search queries. Second, on-page optimization, like optimizing individual pages which with elements such as keyword, rich content, meta tags, headers, and multimedia, and other things, whatever include in the on-page. We'll just go through that in details in like coming classes tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. The third part, which is off-page optimization, building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites to enhance the website authority and credibility. Off-page, like profile creation, blog submission into different websites, classified ads, social bookmarking, business listing, and any other off-page activities which includes our content and our keyword. So what it will do is it built our website authority and credibility in Google search engine. Fourth, which is technical SEO, addressing technical aspects of a website, including what is the site speed of our website and is it mobile friendliness or not, like our content is crawlable or not, crawlability and indexability, like whatever the content we are posting, either it can be blog or any other new service pages. What we have to do is we have to index it in Google. So we can request it for indexing our content. Okay. And the fifth part is like content creation, developing high quality content, relevant and valuable content that satisfies user intent and address their needs. So if I'm searching anything on Google, so let's suppose is my voice clear or not?
Clear है मैम.
Sorry.
Clear है मैम voice.
Oh, so content creation, like creating any blog or any other content which is relevant to our user and whatever they are searching or whatever their interest, it's like mean to create content according to our user so that user can get interest on that particular content, so they can go for the services which they are looking for it. Okay. User experience, like it ensuring that the website provides a positive and seamless experience for visitors, like including easy navigation and fast loading times. In user experience, what we'll do is, let's suppose I went to the Google and I searched for, let's suppose, digital marketing course. Where you can see how many search results is there. It's around like let's suppose this is the website and I'm going to open it. It's taking time because there is some kind of issues with the network. So here you can see I have opened this particular website, which is DIDM, and I went to this. Suppose I want to view the program of digital marketing. Okay. I went to it. All the details. It's here only. Suppose if I'm not able to open this particular page and it is taking a lot more time, then what I'll do is I'll switch to the next website. I went to the DIDM. Let's suppose I went to the Udemy, and it is taking a lot more time to open that particular page. So I will not stick to that page more than 30 seconds or a 20 seconds. So the proper website, it should be open within a 10 to 20 seconds. So it comes under the like user experience. See, whatever the user facing, if there is any problem, so that particular user, they will not go to that particular site. They will switch to the site within a second. So your website, it should be open within a second, and the navigation and the other part, it should be open it properly. Then 7, which is local SEO, optimizing a website to appear in local search results, especially important for business targeting a local audience or any other thing. Suppose I went to the Google again and I want to search for the restaurant or the cafe near me. I have searched, and here you can see the places. Whatever the places nearby me, it will show it here. And I can go for it. I can check their menu and any other thing. Let's suppose I want to go to this cafe and I have see the picture and the menu and all the things. So, so this comes under the local SEO. If your local presence is very good and the ratings and other things, so then a customer can go for that service or go for that company. Local SEO. Okay. It mainly for the business owners, like if they have the physical location of that particular business, they can go for the local listing or the local SEO, and they can work properly on that. Is it working properly or not? Or you can get a reviews from your customer, whoever coming to your restaurant or the cafe. So you can do local listing or improve your local listing through this. The eighth is analytics and monitoring. Using tools like Google Analytics to track website performance, monitor user behavior, and make data driven decisions. So, I have shown you in a previous class that how Google Analytics looks and whatever the traffic we are getting, it can be through like Google or social media or any other channels. So, we get to know from Google Analytics that all the metrics, whatever the website traffic and the how my website is performing on Google, and we can monitor it. So through that we can make changes. If my website performance is not good, I'll have to go for the solution. Like what is the solution I can do so that it will rank properly in Google or it will show to the customer or the other users. Okay. Any doubt in it? Because these are only what is SEO, what includes in SEO, on page, off page, technical SEO, local SEO, and other things. Any doubts on it? Anything? Any doubt? Gaurav, Ajay, Ragiv? Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Ajay? Okay. Sure. Move to the next topic, which is techniques of SEO. We learn like what is SEO, we'll go for the techniques of SEO. The next topic. So the first technique of SEO, which is white hat SEO. So white hat SEO refers to the ethical SEO techniques that align with search engine guidelines and focus on providing value to users. So these techniques aim to improve search engine rankings through quality content, proper keyword research, and legitimate optimization strategies. So whatever the white hat SEO, like whatever we are working, it should be under the guidelines of Google search engine, and mainly to focus on like what our users are searching for and what they are looking for, that particular services or any other things. So we need to focus on that. Okay. So whatever the techniques, like if we are publishing blog or doing any other activities, so there are the things which we need to keep in our mind. We are like putting keyword correctly in our blog or other content. So should be comes under the white hat SEO. Like we are not doing or doing keyword stuffing. We are not putting three, four keyword in a content. So one keyword in a content, like there should be different keywords in one content, not a one keyword in a particular like 500 to 600 content or any other content, whichever we are using. It can be on like website or on the off page activities. So we have to keep these things in our mind, like how to use the content and the keyword while using or like while doing off page activities or SEO. Okay.
Uh, Ma'am, it's white hat SEO is a tool or it's a like a process
It's a
to set up
no, it's a technique of doing SEO, not a tool or not
okay,
a yeah setup. So whatever like we are doing in SEO, so it should be in
okay,
a within the Google guidelines. Okay. When
okay,
when we'll do the off page activities, I'll guide you through that, like how to do it and what things to be neglect. Okay.
okay, okay, noted, noted.
Then we should also check the content, quality content, whatever the content we are using or creating through chat GPT or we are like writing down from the our content creator team. So creating high quality content, relevant and valuable content that satisfies user intent and provides user useful information. Suppose I'm like writing a blog for digital marketing course. What I'll write it is like what is digital marketing and how it will benefit to our users, like whoever they are searching for, like it can be a college going student or a working professional. If they are searching for that particular services, so it should mention that like whatever the content or whatever we are adding the information in that particular blog. So it should satisfy my customers, like, yes, what they are looking for, and they got it. So these kind of quality content we should create while doing any of the activities. Okay. Then keyword optimization, like conducting keyword research and strategically incorporating keywords into website content, titles, meta description, and headings. For this, I can show you the example, like how to use the keyword in your particular website. Let's suppose we have Prayug.com. Okay. Yeah. This is my particular website. Okay, let's suppose I went to the digital marketing course page. So online digital marketing course, this is itself a keyword. Digital marketing course itself keyword. Okay. SEO, SEM, social media marketing. So these are all my keywords. This is the heading and this is the URL. So what we need to do is whatever the URL we are creating or whatever the content or the service pages we are creating, we should make sure that whatever the keyword, it can be digital marketing or the data science, data analytics, anything, we should include it in our search, the particular URL and the heading H1, heading tags, and the main content of that service page, which is digital marketing. So we have added all the keywords which is necessary and which should, like, whoever the user, they will search for that particular term. So we should look for that. Okay. Keyword, using keyword in our content, it can be in our website or doing any of these activities. We should add particular keyword to rank in a particular search engine results. Okay. And we should also work on that particular keyword in a backend, like off-page activity. So it will help us to rank in our Google search engine or the Google search results. Okay. This is about the keyword optimization, like how we can use it. And third is on-page optimization, like optimizing various on-page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, headers, URLs, and internal linking structure to improve search engine visibility and user experience. So while like when we'll do the on page, we will see the elements which is title tags, meta description, headers, what are the headers, and the particular URL of that particular service page, and what are the internal linking. We can do it to improve our search engine results or the search engine visibility. Wait, wait a second. Sorry. So on-page optimization, like what are the uh, various on-page elements such as title tags, meta description, headers, URLs, and internal linking structure to improve search engine visibility and user experience. So for keyword optimization, what I did is like this is my particular keyword, SEO and AEO certification course. When I put that in Google search engine results, search engine, so what it did is it shows me the results of that particular keyword. So here you can see this is our Prayug.com and this is my keyword. So whenever or our user search for this particular term, they can see my particular page of this course. Suppose I went to this particular page and this is my keyword and it should also include in my URL and the particular content. It should also use in my particular content, header and the main content, footer and any other things. So as I like in last class, we should not able to like see the what are the organic result and the paid ones. So here you can see it written is sponsored. So these are all the uh, like search results which comes through ad. Like if I whenever I click onto this, so some amount will deduct it from this particular like company, which is DIDM. So let's suppose I have clicked onto this, and for particular click, what they did is they set a amount of like 50 to 60 rupees or 100 rupees for that particular click. So whenever our customer or our user click onto this, that some amount it will deduct it from the this company account. This is called as the sponsored as paid advertisement and ads. What is organic result? Organic, like I have searched the particular term or the particular keyword on Google and I'm able to see the particular website. So this comes under the organic result. How it came on first page of Google? Because we have done some off-page activities. It can be a blog submission or social bookmarking and classifieds. So we have done these kind of activities. That's why it comes under the first page of Google search engine result pages. Any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Like, are you able to understand like right now?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts? Just stop me there and you can ask. Okay. About the on page, we'll do it in like upcoming classes. We'll see like how to do the on page SEO, how to check if your website is working properly or not, meta tags is added properly or not, description, headers, how to make user friendly URLs, SEO friendly URLs, how to interlink particular other website into our website and other courses page, and everything we'll do it on our own page SEO. Okay. So next is high quality backlinks. Earning backlinks from authoritative and relevant website through outreach, content marketing, and networking rather than engaging in manipulating link schemes. So how we will generate high quality backlinks? Suppose we are doing off-page activities and that particular domain authority, it should be high. Let's suppose I went to the Google. If I want to do blog submission, what I'll do is I'll just go to Google and search for the blog submission. So here you can see these are the websites which is showing in the top, like blogger.com. You have all heard about it, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and any other blog submission website of pages and the medium. So these are the main like the top domain authority website where we can publish our blog into their website to get a backlink from them. What it will help is it will help our keyword to rank in a Google search result pages, and whenever we are searching for a particular term, so our website will show up in a Google first rank, first pages. Okay. Any doubts? Okay. The next is social media marketing, like utilizing social media platforms to share content, engage with our audience, and attract traffic to the website. How we can attract traffic to the website? Let's suppose I went to Facebook or Instagram. Suppose I'm on Instagram and I'm just scrolling it and I went to see this particular post. Let's suppose I went to this and I have opened this. So if I want this particular service, what I'll do is either I'll just go to the website or I can directly call them through this. Suppose I went to the website and I have search other services, whatever they are providing here, and went for that. So how it will count as the social media traffic? Because I went to the social media platform and went from there, went to the particular website. So it comes under the social media traffic. Like whatever, this is the post or other traffic, it can be reel or other particular post content. Let's suppose I went to this and see this particular post, modern resume for a modern job hunt. So I'll just go to it and search for the particular website, like in which platform or in which website they are providing this. Or either you can go to the particular profile and search for the website. If they have added it, you'll be able to see it. Or other social media platforms, you can also see it from here, Facebook and the LinkedIn. So these are the social media traffic where it will come to our website. Utilizing social media platforms like to share the particular post, reels, and other videos. So we can promote our product or services through these kind of social media activities. Then user experience optimization, like improving website usability, page loading speed, navigation, and overall user experience to enhance user satisfaction and encourage repeat visits. So for user, let's suppose I went to that page again and I went to the features, whatever features they are providing. Let's suppose resume examples or the if I want to create a cover letter, what I'll do is I'll just check it, and just go for it, and if it is like opening within a second, wherever I'll click, this is the block section. I clicked onto that, and it open in a within a second. So what user will do it? User will stick to that particular page and they'll read the content. Okay. So user experience, it should be good. And the particular page loading speed, it should be good so that user will stick to that particular your page and go from one pages to another to explore our particular website. Okay. If our user is satisfied, so they can directly go for the services and they can buy, and whatever the services we are providing, they can choose that and did the payment. Okay. Then proper HTML markup, like using clean and semantic HTML markup to make the website easily crawlable and understandable by search engine bots. What is search engine bots? Whenever we are uploading any content in our website or in search engine or other website, what search engine bots will do? They will come to that particular post, they will read all the content or they'll store the data or they pick up the data from that particular page and store it in a Google database. And whenever we are searching or any user searching for that particular term, so they will provide these kind of search results in search terms. Okay. HTML markup, it's mainly like to use your website URL or website. So whatever the file we are using, HTML file or other files. So it should not be that much heavy because it will create a problem to load your particular page in Google. That's why we should use the proper HTML markup. We'll like do it later once we'll go with the practicals. Then local SEO strategies like implementing tactics to improve visibility in local search results, such as optimizing Google My Business listing and obtaining local citations. What is Google My Business listing? Let's suppose let's suppose I went to the Google and I search for Prayug. If I know the name or any other thing. So what I'll do is I'll just go to that. Here you can see the ratings and the Google reviews. Whatever the reviews our users or the customer posted, we'll be able to see it in Google My Business or Google reviews and the particular website and the particular direction of that location. And if you want to call it, if you want any services, we can call it number over there too. And the opening hours, it is also mentioned in Google My Business profile. How you will do it? You'll just go to the, you'll just log into the Chrome profile, and here's the profile, Business Profile Manager. So if you have your local business, you can just go to it and you can edit all the details. And after some time, your Google will review your Google My Business profile and they will verify it after doing a verification, like adding all the details, fulfill all the details, all the necessary things which is needed to create a perfect Google My Business account. So for the local SEO, local SEO and the local user and the local businesses, whoever they have business in their particular location. Okay. Then monitoring and analysis. Regularly monitoring website performance, search engine rankings, traffic metrics, and user behavior to identify areas for improvement and adjust strategies accordingly. Like how we will monitor it. We can monitor it through the Google Search Console and the Google Analytics. We can monitor it through and do analysis if anything need to be changed or any other thing, we can go for it. Okay. For daily basis, like with the like in a 1 week, you can like we are using the particular keywords, and after doing off page activities and any other activities, we can check like is it this is my particular keyword and is it coming to the Google search engine results or not. So we have to work according to that to monitor our keyword rankings in Google. So as I showed you that particular SEO and AEO certification course. So this is my particular keyword. I went to the Google and went for checking the particular keyword ranking of this keyword. So what it will be? It will be the first ranking. If it is coming to the fourth or fifth, sixth, seventh, so my particular keyword ranking of SEO and EO certification code, it is in under 7 number of Google search engine result pages. So we have to check it once we'll do the practical of on off page SEO. Okay, how to check the keywords and Google searches. So this is the practical. We'll do it later. Okay. Examples of white hat SEO techniques. A company regularly publishes informative blog posts related to their industries, ensuring they provide valuable insights to their audience while incorporating relevant keywords naturally. So they also engage in outreach to earn backlinks from reputable websites. So we are like Prayo, what we do is we post blogs to the relevant website and we make sure we earn a particular backlink from that website whenever we are doing the off-page activities. Let's suppose I have Medium ID. Okay, I'll just show you how to. We have published the particular blog over here. Let's go for that. Let's suppose this is my profile. Okay. This is the blog which I have published on June 20th. So this is my blog title and the particular image of that, and this is the blog content. So in this content, what I am doing is I am using my keyword, particular keyword, which is digital marketing course in Gurgaon. So this is my particular keyword. Whatever, like, if people are searching for that particular term, and it is a quite chances to show that particular post to my user, or the user searching for that particular terms, so they can be able to see my post. So whenever we are publish any post, blog post to the reputable website, because Medium, they have high domain authority. It can be like, it's like domain authority is above 80 or 90. So for these kind of website, we can go for the submission or the doing of these activities to get a particular backlink from that particular website. It will help us to rank that particular keyword in Google search engine. Then next is black hat SEO. Black hat SEO involves using deceptive and manipulative techniques to improve search engine rankings, often at the expenses of user experience and violating search engine guidelines. So, black hat SEO is a wrong way of doing SEO because it is going against to the Google guidelines. These techniques can lead to a short-term gains, but po- pose significant risk of penalties and long-term damage to a website reputation. So, let's suppose Prayug, it has a name in Google search results. And what I did is I did office activities, which is like I use that particular keyword, which is just for marketing course in Gurgaon. I have used that particular keyword in a single line, like in every para or every second line. So what Google will do is Google will panelize that particular keyword, and whatever the links you are using, it will panelize it and it will remove your content from Google. So these kind of activities we should not do it because it's against our Google search engine guidelines. So black hat SEO using multiple keyword in your particular content and other activities too. Okay, we should not like manipulate our user. What we need is we need the user who is like really interested in our content, and they are happy to read whatever they are reading or whatever the particular page or the website they are going for. Okay, black hat SEO. Right. See, keyword stuffing, as I told you about, we should not add more than one or two keyword in a particular blog. A single keyword. We can use different keywords in our content, but we should not use a particular keyword multiple times. Overloading web pages with irrelevant keywords to manipulate search rankings. So it will not help us to rank in a Google search engine results. It will just manipulate our customer or the user, whoever using that content or reading that content. Cloak, cloaking, presenting different content to search engine and user to deceive search algorithms. sorry, like in clocking, what we do, like what most of the website do, they show the different content to the search engine crawlers and then to human visitors. So there are different content with global like it will manipulate search rankings according to Google guidelines. So, and third is like hidden text or links. So whenever we visited some kind of website, they have the hidden content and the hidden text which is not visible to human or the user, but it is visible to the Google crawlers. They can easily see a particular text or a link that are invisible in our website. Let's suppose this is my content, and what I did is I have like invisible it in website, but Googlebot can see it or read that particular content. So we should not do it because search engine will penalize your website or it would remove your website from search engine results. Then next is link farming. Link farming, like it mainly to create and participating in schemes to artificially inflate the number of backlinks to a website. So link farming, it's mainly like to submit our website to one particular website, and what they will do is they will spread my website into different websites, which is not very useful for my ranking and which is not useful for my particular category of my business. So what they do is they submit it to the different and bad websites. So we should not do it. Link farming, we should not do it. Doorway pages, like creating low quality pages optimized for specific keyword that redirect users to a different page. Let's suppose I have digital marketing course page, and what I did is I added different course page in that particular main landing page. Okay. For digital marketing course page, I have added different other courses page which I can do like the data analytics or any other courses page. I have hyperlinked that content in that particular digital marketing page. Okay. So what it will do is it will redirect my user to a different page which they are not looking for it. Okay. So these are all the terms which we should understand and we should keep in mind while doing white hat SEO, and we should not what we should not do in a black hat SEO. But we should neglect these things. Examples of black hat SEO, it will like a website uses hidden text stuffed with keywords at the bottom of its pages, making it visible to user but visible to search engine crawlers. That what I explained in black hat SEO. A website owner may publish several pages targeted at a specific region that all direct users to the same landing page. A landing page plugin can be used to create these doorway pages quickly and easily, making this underhanded technique appealing. So we should not add multiple like content in our several pages, or we should not link our particular pages to different links. So what it will do is it will manipulate our user, either they should go for this link or this link, so it will create a confusion in them. So that's why we should not do black hat SEO. Then gray hat SEO, which is the third part. Gray hat techniques fall somewhere between white hat and black hat techniques. They may not split violate search engine guidelines, but still involve some level of risk. While gray hat techniques may not result in immediate penalties, they can lead to the algorithm changes that could negatively impact a website ranking in the long run. So gray hat is a mix of white hat and black hat SEO. Okay. So we should not do black hat SEO, whatever the thing like keyword stuffing and hidden text link farming. So these are the things we should not do it in black hat SEO. White hat comes as the perfect doing way of SEO and the perfect techniques of SEO. Gray hat, it's a mix of it. We use some techniques of white hat SEO and some of black hat SEO. We should not do it. What it will do is the Google will panelize or algorithm will changes within a time. So it will affect our website whenever the algorithm changes. What it will do is it will decrease our keyword ranking into Google, and it can be for a long term risk. Okay, I'll share the PDF. Then what are the examples of the gray hat SEO, like purchasing expired domains for their backlink profiles, guest blogging on websites solely for the purpose of acquiring backlinks. So we should not do these kind of things. Using automated tools for link building, we should not do it because we are creating links individually. We are not like paying a bulk amount for creating a bulk links or the backlinks. And next is over optimizing anchor text in backlinks. तो बैकलिंक जितने भी हैं उसमें जो एंकर टेक्स्ट वगैरह यूज करते हैं वी शुड नॉट डू इट वी कैन डू इट बट नॉट दैट syndicating content across multiple websites with minimal changes. So using a single content and doing minor changes into that and publishing into the different website, we should not also do that. So is there any doubt? I'll share the both the PDF in your WhatsApp group. Any doubt?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So basically, white hat technique we have to use for the SEO, search engine
Ye-
optimization mostly.
Yes. White has like comes as a good practice of SEO techniques. Yes. Any other doubts? No doubt. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, sure. So I suggest you go through the PDF and the recordings once again, so that if you face any issues, you can just let me know into the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow also your class or not.
It's on Thursday.
It's on Thursday. Okay, sure. So you have one day to repeat the or see the recordings last 1 2 2 3 days classes, and you can go for it. If you face any issues, or just write it down, or let me know in the WhatsApp group, or you can ask me on Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thanks so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.